I think the greater Punjab has been literally the front bastion for the Indian subcontinent, for all invaders who came through the Middle East. And over centuries, starting off from Alexander the Great, which all of us know about, right up to Genghis Khan's era, then the battles of the Muhammad of Ghazni, the Muhammad of Ghori, coming in, moving down towards the area which is now a portion of Rajasthan, Gujarat, those areas. So I think basically a martial culture existed in this area. The capacity, when we talk about the Sikhs being the most enterprising, I think it comes from this generational change that has happened, that every time you went down, you again rose up. Literally, the rise of the phoenix from the ashes. Yeah, that's what the story is. So this great sense of resilience, I think the capacity to be able to absorb, have this innate sense of understanding what the challenges are and how to overcome them.